Okay, now the question is how did your relatives react to that?
Oh, that's a question. Damn, that's a good one. You are telling me this is like asking कौन सा बच्चे से ज्यादा प्यार है. मैं फोन पे उसी में तो कॉल चला गया होता है.
But even I sent one.
See you and she's like, hey, Sukriti.
Oh, oof, guys. Hello, people of internet. Welcome to another episode of Badmash Baate, and I'm your host Sukriti Grover. And for today's episode, we have Suhadi Shah with us. And before I begin talking about her, मैं पहले ये बताना चाहती हूँ I discovered her content during the lockdown, majorly streams, and मतलब whenever I would open my laptop, I would see Suhani Shah streaming, and I would be like, कभी that's my job चल रहा है, कभी Among Us चल रहा है, कभी कुछ, कभी art therapy, and I would put it on my side, and मैं अपना काम साथ साथ करती रहती थी, everything.
How sweet.
And that
That's
would
very
be
sweet.
so much
That's sweet.
fun to watch. But to be very honest, I don't know much about the mentalist and magician side of yours. So I want you to talk to me about that and like introduce yourself. How would you introduce yourself?
Wow, this is rather funny for me because just like 7 months back, nobody would know me as a YouTuber, streamer, or like how you described me right now.
Yeah.
That is an absolutely new identity to me because, and then you tell me that, oh, you don't know the mentalist side of me, which is like,
Yeah.
22 years of my life. Okay, wow.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I wanted to know. Because I feel what I feel, lot of people found you out through that, and they would want to know कि how your life was before streaming, because streaming के अलावा लोगों को इतना नहीं idea है. What I figured out.
True. No, I agree because I was just meeting a few people and then they were like, oh, my kid was telling that, oh, she's a YouTuber. And I'm like, so yeah, I mean, I'm enjoying the new identity, but yes, I am primarily a magician. And in magician, if you have to go deeper, I'm actually a mentalist. And that's what I do for a living. I've been a magician literally all my life, I can say, because I started performing as a kid. And I started performing magic shows as a hobby, and then it turned into a profession for me. And I think in the process of doing magic shows and traveling to cities for performances, my life is all about that. That's where all my learnings come from, all my adventures come from. Everything else that I have tried apart from magic has been there because of the lifestyle that magic as an art form gave me as I was performing it. So I think magic and magician and being a mentalist is my core identity. And then now I've started calling myself more of an artist because there's so many more things I've started doing. So yeah.
Right. But how did it start for you? Because I've watched a stream of yours. I think it was at Biswa, and you talked about how you started very early. It was decoding magic, something around that. I forgot. Thoda tha. But yeah, it was something around that.
No.
Huh.
So yes, I started performing magic. Like my first ever stage show was when I was 7 years old, and it wasn't like a show in a school or a party.
Yeah.
It was a big 3 hour stage show with lights, music, 30 people to assist me. I'm flying in the air, cutting a person into half, and a proper stage illusion show. So that was like me 7 years old, and because the first show was at a massive level, the media picked it up, and it was like a kickstart. And then there were a few more shows in my hometown, Ahmedabad. And then I came to Bombay for 3 months for performances. From Bombay, I got more contracts to perform in other cities. And then I went to US for a few months for performances. And I came back. So the moment I started performing from that time onwards, the journey just started. There was not like a thing that, oh, now we think whether we should do it or not after the first show. It was just like we started it and there is no stopping. There was no looking back after that. Before that, there was a lot of like, but then it wasn't for me. It was for my parents. I was like 6 years old, you know, what a 6 साल की बच्ची क्या ही सोचेगी. So I was like, मेरे को जादू करना है, मेरे को magic करना है, deal with it. You know, my parents used to be like, oh, she's so adamant about it. So I've got really supportive parents who are not like, बच्चा कुछ बोल रहा है तो ज्यादा के पढ़ाई कर types. You know, मतलब they will always
encourage.
Yeah, no, they pay attention to what the kid is saying. Not just me, even my elder brother.
Acha.
They'll pay attention. And if I say that I want to do computers, they'll put me in a computer class. Like,
Right.
अगर allowed नहीं है बच्ची तो special permission लेके मेरी बच्ची को करना है तो आप करो. If I say I want to do swimming, I became a swimmer. Like I was a medalist in Gujarat. So my parents, even if as a kid I say something, they would just take it seriously and they would just do it. So what happened as a kid also, we would be now very conscious of what we are going to say because parents are just going to agree to it.
Yeah.
And like, हाँ करो किसने मना किया है? I was like, okay. So when I came to, like I remember going to my father and telling him, पापा मुझे magic करना है. And Baba was like, first time he said, "Jata ke padhai kar and focus on your other things."
Right.
So I went up to him again. I was like, "Mujhe magic karna hai," and he was like, second time also like. So I was adamant. I kept going to him, and then I remember he asking me, "What magic you want to do?" Like if you want to do school and party, no matlab. Want to do a bada stage show karo to matlab hai. And I was like, okay, let's do a stage show. And then he started. Then I don't come from an entertainment background. I don't
Right.
come from a family of magicians. And magic as an art form in India is very difficult to learn.
Okay.
So then my parents' struggle started of finding people who could teach me magic, assistants, set up a show. It was a 8-9 month process of finding people, doing the setup, rehearsing. It was a long process. But then eventually the first show happened and it all began from there.
That's a very cute story, and I mean, I hope
Yeah.
सबके parents ऐसे ही हो यार. This is so cute.
Yeah.
So yeah, I wanted to know when that
Do you like edit in between, or it's like going to be unfiltered? Pura?
unfiltered edit सिर्फ edit सिर्फ थोड़ा सा रहता है, like the framing and all will be different. So yeah. But yeah, I wanted to know when this show happened, how did you feel as a kid? कि कैसा लगा the first time when you went on the stage and what?
I was 7 years old. Yeah, I mean, very honestly, मेरे को memory नहीं है. The
हाँ.
only thing I vaguely remember is that I don't. So it was a big show. Like there was Gujarat की पूरी ministry थी. There was उस वक्त के chief minister थे. It was like a media था. It was like a big show. The thing was that I know now. That time I did not know what a chief minister means. That time I did not know Gujarat की ministry या media क्या होता है. No, for me,
Right.
7 years old, you don't understand all these things.
Yeah.
But all I knew is there are a lot of people going to watch. There were like 1,000 people. It was a big auditorium. I just knew that there were a lot of people going to watch. तो मेरे दिमाग में था मुझे क्या करना है, मेरे को जो सिखाया है मुझे जाके वो करना है, that's it. So I have to walk here, then I have to go there, mic पकड़ना है, ये dialogue बोलना है, then do this. So for me it was more like you know how you give viva.
Yeah.
टीचर बुलाएगी, जाके ये जवाब देने हैं, अगर ये सवाल पूछेंगे तो ये बोलना है, and you give it आप वापस जाके बैठ जाओ. So for me this was the process. It was all about कि I know what show I have to do. तो मैं गई, मैंने मेरा शो किया, मैं वापस आ गई, and that's pretty much. There's no other memory I have of it.
So how are people in school about you doing magic? How did they react to that?
Oh, okay. So I did not go to school.
Oh,
So
I didn't know that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so I went to school till standard 1
Yeah.
because 7th standard तक जब मैं 7 साल की थी, sorry, तो तब तक मैं school गई till standard 1. But once the show thing started,
Okay.
it so happened that I couldn't go to school because I was performing so much. I was performing 9 months a year that my shows would clash with exam dates. My show would clash with, like, things that are happening, important dates in the school. And I couldn't attend all of those. So, उधर भी एक बहुत लंबी story of how I had to convince my parents had to convince my principal of how it is okay if she doesn't attend school and still be kind to her, and how. So I was not a registered student of my school, but I could visit my school whenever I wanted. But that was like hardly like 10 days, 15 days. Because जब मैं होती भी थी टाउन में तब वो छुट्टियां चल रही होती थी स्कूल की.
Oh.
So it never really happened that I got time to visit school. So yeah, just till standard 1, and after that I would visit school either to give a lecture to some students or कोई assembly में मुझे कुछ lecture देना है as a motivational talk.
Right.
I became more of this representative of the school rather than a student of the school. Like, कि ये हमारी
Oh,
school की बच्ची है types. But I was never really attending. I was not a student. I was not a registered student. Didn't go to
okay.
class.
And then how would the exams happen for you?
They did not happen for me.
Oh,
I did not go to school. I mean, there was no schooling at all after that.
all right. So then how? Okay, now the question is how did your relatives react to that?
Oh, that's a question. Damn, that's a good question. So I remember, oh my god. So very early, I don't remember, but I think early teens. I remember, okay, so I come a very conventional Marwadi family.
Yeah,
ठीक है तो राजस्थान का एकदम टिपिकल मारवाड़ी फैमिली जो होता है मैं वहां से आती
right.
हूँ so my parents have been really brave when it came to me and my brother. They were more like कि मेरी बेटी को कुछ करना है तो वो करेगी, मेरे बेटे को कुछ करना है तो वो करेगा, whatever people say irrespective of that. तो अगर
Right.
उनको बहुत बोलना है वो तेल लेने जाए, we are going to do what we want to do, and that confidence my parents gave me and my brother as well. So I know my parents would not tell me, but I have heard my relatives say कि अरे लड़की है, स्कूल नहीं जाती है, जादू शादू कर रही है, क्या होगा इसका, कौन शादी करेगा, क्या भविष्य, स्कूल वूल तो भी नहीं. So it was like a first thing was लड़की,
Yeah,
second thing was स्कूल नहीं जा रही, massive,
yeah,
and third जादू कर रही है, which is not even like a reputed art form.
right.
So everything for them to digest was huge. But I don't think it mattered to my parents. They're like, "Tu kar," there was like,
That's
I think they
such.
had a lot of faith in me. Like, I
Yeah,
sometimes doubt my parents. I'm like, what was wrong with you guys? Like, you think if you are a parent, would you do that to your child? I mean, were you okay with it? And it sometimes made me wonder was that would I be so brave if my child walks up to me and tells me कि उसको school वूल नहीं जा सकती और उसको magic magic करना है. It is tricky, right? But kudos. I mean, I am really grateful to my parents for the decisions they made for me
yeah,
and the faith they had in me. कि यार ये लड़की कुछ ना कुछ तो कर ही लेगी, भले स्कूल जाए कि नहीं जाए. So
yeah. But then how do you feel that right now you get recognition more for your streaming rather than your magic and mentalism thing?
I don't think that matters to me much because I think I feel good. I should not say it matters, doesn't matter. It actually makes me feel good
Right.
because there's a different personality to me other than magic, which I've been able to now put out through my streams. So when you see my shows, it's a very mysterious where you come on the stage, or if you're in the audience, I'm on stage. I read minds, I predict the future. The vibe is very mysterious. It's sort of serious, a little bit of fun, but there's a lot of mystery to it. I'm not like chilled up with the chirpy me.
Yeah,
So streaming and I'm really grateful to the entire streaming community also to have supported so well. And I think the streaming gave me opportunity to show the other side of me where I can be like, I'm playing games, I'm having fun, let's have a chat, let's just make our groups and tease each other, and
yeah,
the
yeah.
other fun side of me which I think never came out on a stage. So I'm pretty happy about it. I'm really enjoying it, and yeah, I don't mind how कैसे भी पहचानो, बस अच्छी तरीके से पहचानो, स्ट्रीमिंग हो या मैजिक हो.
Right.
Because Sukriti, I feel it very simply. Like, for example, when you started coming on our chats, we got to know you. We got to know you, even though I had not seen you initially. When I saw you in my chats and commenting, I never saw your face. I did not know your vibe initially. But when you started chatting, and we got to know how fun person you are and things
Right.
like that. So what happened was we tried to explore more side of you, and today we know you as a good person. Like, even though I
Right.
had not seen your podcast or I had not known what all you do in your life, we just know that, oh, she's a fun person. So I think for me, being recognized as a fun person is a good thing, or a happy person, or just a nice person. It's just now. And once you know me, like once you know me as a streamer, and then you start investing your time into watching more of your streams, you eventually figure out what all I do. Like how we
Right.
figured out today that you do so much.
Right.
So I think it's just about that. It's just about knowing each other.
Right. So I want to know about some स्टेज एक्सपीरियंसेस, ये तो अभी ऑन स्ट्रीम तो अभी आई कम ऑन दैट लेटर, बट आई वांट टू नो अबाउट सम स्टेज एक्सपीरियंसेस लाइक हाउ एनी एक्सपीरियंस विच यू थिंक कि यार ये कुछ हो सकता है, ऊपसी मोमेंट टाइप हो सकता है, या फिर इट कुड बी लाइक वेरी फन मोमेंट, या फिर आपके लिए कुछ दिस वाज अनएक्सपेक्टेड, इतना बढ़िया रिएक्शन हो गया या समथिंग लाइक दैट.
There are so many such moments, Sukriti. There are so many. I mean, so the thing about magic is and stage is कि अगर mistakes होती भी है, bloopers होते भी है, I laugh in my head, but the audience never gets to know it because you cover it up somewhere.
Okay.
And the few moments when the audience gets to know it, it's all about making a joke out of it. Like I always say this, even when I go wrong, I always say this, guys, I've got your money because you paid for this show. आप लोगों का entertainment बिगड़ रहा है, okay? So it's like you make a joke out of things go wrong or
Right,
stuff
right.
like that. So and magic में अगर चीजें गलत जा रही है, it is bad. Like I remember once I revealed a person's first crush's name.
Right.
Like I told him, think about a person important to you and all. And he could have thought of anybody. And this guy started thinking of his first crush's name.
Right.
And then I just wrote down and I told him, okay, I just wrote down on a paper and I told him, okay, I kept it to myself. And
Yeah.
there's an audience sitting there. And I told him, okay, on my count of 3, can you say this person's name out loud? And he's like, no. I'm like, no, you have to say because I've written it. It's my show. He's like I had to convince him. He's like, okay, then I'll just say the name and all that. But then he was very adamant of like, he's like, sorry, it was very like, कि नहीं बताओ तो चलेगा and all of that. So then I was like, okay, I'll just show it to you. Just agree that it is yes or no. So then we did like, we just showed it to him. He said agreed. The applause was not as great, but
Yeah.
eventually we figured out कि उसकी wife audience में बैठी थी and he's still friends with his first crush. And I was like, oh. I was like, so there are many such moments where abhi to now, before we reveal any personal information, we started taking permissions. Ki, are you okay with me revealing this? Because उसके पहले इतने सारे ऐसे moments हुए ना where we have revealed things, like I've revealed things which I shouldn't have, and I feel like it's okay.
So which city has been like most welcoming, or you have enjoyed performing there? ऐसी कोई एक particular city है like you are like कि यहाँ show मिल जाए ना, I would really want to go again.
Yeah, it's that is a very wrong question to ask an artist, and you are telling me this is like asking कौन सा बच्चे से ज़्यादा प्यार है. You tell me where do I want to go, I'll tell you places, but जिधर की audience अच्छी है, don't ask me to come there.
नहीं audience नहीं, like one city which was चलो ठीक है, okay, let's
Okay, I'll tell you.
हाँ.
So I have loved Chennai a lot. It's always been very welcoming, very warm. I love people over there.
Yeah.
For us, the thing about cities is how you see a show. So it's never
अच्छा.
really a city. It's about मेरा show वो city में कैसा हुआ था. वो city अब वैसी बन जाती है.
Oh, okay.
So cities are not about how your show went there. So for me, Chennai has been good. Hyderabad, Bangalore has been good. I have loved college fest. Whenever you go to a college fest, the vibe, मतलब थोड़ी देर के लिए कॉलेज के बच्चे ऐसा फील कराते थे कि बस अब मैं ही हूँ यार इस दुनिया में और कोई है ही नहीं, अपन निज भगवान है. But then eventually you get down off the stage and the other artist comes in and then अच्छा उनको भी वो लोग वैसा ही फील करा है. So you realize okay,
right.
Is them. It's just the college people. It's not me. So I think it's just the energy. Wherever the energy is high, wherever people are responding more, you just love that audience more. This is that.
Right. And अच्छा हाँ, मैं by the way guys, if you haven't noticed, I'm really trying hard to win with Suhani today. मैंने अपने बाल temporarily short कर लिए हैं. So yeah, and now I want to ask about this. How did streaming happen? Streaming कैसे चालू हुआ
I feel
था?
like if you want a twin, then I feel like I should wear glasses, but my glasses are dirty right now. Okay, streaming शुरू हुआ with lockdown.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll be very honest. I had thought of streaming long time ago.
Yeah.
When I'd seen Tanmay stream.
Yeah.
And I had discussed this also with my company. And we were thinking, but then it never happened. Like time nahi mila, or it was just a passing thought. ऐसे दो conversations उस पे हो गए और बस. because you're traveling, you're performing, you don't want to do an entire setup, stay at home.
Yeah,
As an
yeah,
artist, I never thought कि मैं एक जगह पे बैठ के life में कुछ करूंगी. So it was that, but the moment lockdown happened, पहले 2 महीने was like हम क्या ही करने वाले हैं.
yeah.
Then Tanmay invited me to on his stream, and it was a lot of fun. Then after a few days of that, Samay invited me to his stream, so that was a lot of fun. And then I was like, oh, this is fun. And I mean, lockdown hai, there's nothing to lose. I mean, I was scared to for only one reason, that what if I am not received well? What if there are trolls and all these negative comments? Will I be able to handle them? Am I that thick skinned? You know, can I be this person के अरे comments में जो भी आए मेरे को जो करना है मैं करूँगी? Am I that kind of person or not? I mean, I had not
Yeah.
identified that.
Yeah.
But still, I had a very good supportive team. So I really have to give credit to my friends and my team. वो like करेगी नहीं तब तक पता कैसे चलेगा, और अगर अभी लॉकडाउन में ट्राई नहीं किया तो फिर तो कभी ट्राई नहीं कर सकते.
True.
Because
True.
this is the time. If you don't try now, then you can't expect कि शो शुरू हो जाएंगे, लॉकडाउन खत्म होगा, दुनिया नॉर्मल हो गया, फिर आप शुरू करोगे. That's not happening.
Yeah.
Also और कुछ करने को है भी नहीं, तो just do it and see how it goes.
now that's what I wanted to ask you कि अब तो जैसे shows चालू हो रहे हैं, so how are you going about it right now? कि क्योंकि now हो सकता है कि audience को थोड़ा सा वैसा लगने लग जाए कि अरे shows चालू हो गए, she gonna forget us, stream नहीं होगा, ऐसे ऐसे thoughts आ रहे होंगे. So forget वाला तो नहीं होने वाला I think, but so streams कम हो जाएंगे या कुछ ऐसा scene.
Okay, I'm gonna be really honest. Streams come to होंगे. Like I'm
Yeah.
not gonna be this person नहीं नहीं stream करेंगे and all that.
हाँ
And
हाँ
हो गए हैं already because
yeah
there's so much happening. It's not just about live shows. There's other work also that's coming in, and then you have to like really manage all of that at the same time. So streams come होंगे but बंद नहीं होंगे for sure. I am genuinely trying to make a schedule of doing these. I'm not going to tell the number here because then I'll have to live by that. But I'm genuinely trying to put in a schedule कि एक हफ्ते में मेरी इतनी stream हो, you know. And then also that the show that I've created, that's my job. So that's my job. The series has really picked up. People love that series. So I really want to continue that series because it's a lot of fun. So you know how I want to do That's My Job ke live streams. And I also want to just be there for the members and keep streaming, stay relevant and chit chat and, you know, share my moods with people, know what is their views and stuff that. So I'm definitely continuing streaming. That is for sure. And I'm definitely playing games on stream. I love doing that.
yeah
But I'm also going to do live shows. I'm also going to be doing other things that I do.
yeah
That would eventually start. But streaming is not something that was like कि shows नहीं हो रहे इसलिए streaming कर लो. It has now become more like कि streaming भी अब है. It is a part of my lifestyle now. It's not going anywhere.
yeah but so talking about That's My Job, how did you come up with that? Even the new one, That's My Story, उसपे guys मैं भी आई थी एक बारी.
Oh yes, you were there on That's My Story. I remember.
Yeah
Wow, that's fun. You were fun.
yeah
Okay, so That's My Job happened. I started streaming, and I was always, of course, looking for ideas on what is it that I could do. And there was this one stream where I had called comedians Akash Gupta, Nishant Suri, Aishwarya Mohanraj, and Shankar Chugani to play Bollywood Scribble. So there was Scribble, but guessing Bollywood movies. So that was the stream. After that, the comedians and I were just chit-chatting, and Shankar called me he wanted to record something else for his Instagram. And I was like, okay, sure. So then I spoke to Shankar again for his recording bit. And then Shankar and I just chatted like, उसके बाद ऐसे Zoom call चालू था और हम ऐसे गप्पे लड़ा रहे थे. And Shankar said, why don't you do something like this? Like he had this idea, and I was like, I don't know, it'll work. No, because
this exact thing he pitched कि you can do something around this.
I will not say let's say almost exact. Let's keep it that way.
Okay.
Because number of people नहीं decided थे क्या 2 लोग होंगे guest में कि 5 लोग होंगे, but concept was this. Okay.
Right.
And I was like, okay, because you know when it's not executed, when it's just an idea, you don't know how it's going to look like.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, let's see, we'll try and you figure out. फिर एक बार मुझे स्ट्रीम करना था एंड आई वाज लाइक क्या करें, एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके लेट्स ट्राई व्हाट शंकर सेड. सो आई कॉल्ड अप शंकर, एंड शंकर आई रियली चैटेड टू मेक दिस शो कि कैसा ये करे तो क्या होगा, उसका नाम क्या दे हम, हाउ अबाउट दैट्स माय जॉब, हाउ अबाउट दिस. सो वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट एंड देन आई वाज लाइक किसको बुलाए फर्स्ट पे. देन आई हैड टू फाइंड द two comedians. So I actually approached Sapan Verma and Sahil Shah.
Yeah.
And they were such good people यार. वो ऐसे ही मान गए कि हाँ हाँ मैंने पूरा एक्सपेरिमेंट करी, पूरा फेल हो सकता है.
Yeah.
Like कोई बात नहीं यार, लेट्स गो हैव फन, देखते हैं क्या
Yeah.
होता है. And I was so glad यार कि मतलब उन्होंने मान लिया. And those two was, I'm just so happy that those two were perfect people to start with. Because they understood the game well.
Okay.
They asked right questions. You know, कभी-कभी they don't understand the game, वो कुछ भी पूछते तो लगता है कि boring game है. They
Right.
asked right questions. They guessed right. They also correctly guessed the profession sometimes.
Yeah.
They made the entire show so entertaining that I felt in the end of the day, oh dude, this is a good concept. And Sapan and Sahil also appreciated it. Shankar appreciated it, and I was like, okay, let's give it a try. Let's give it like 2-3 episodes और करके देखते हैं. And that's it.
So then, how did you first episode के लिए लोग कैसे decide किए for the people?
They were all my friends. They were all my friends.
Oh, okay.
Because I was like कि पता नहीं ये पचका हो गया तो मतलब fail हो गया
हाँ.
on stream. So I did not want to. I was like मेरे दोस्तों को बुलाओ कि जो पचका भी हो गया तो ऐसे साथ दे देंगे, बुरा नहीं मानेंगे. तो I remember my first cousin was there as a graphic designer. One of my friend was there as a sailor. Surfer. So they were all people I know of, and you know, I was
Yeah.
like, "Aja bhai, aja." मेरा friend था जो director था, and they were all in my first episode.
Right.
So yeah, that's how it happened. And then उसके बाद 2-3 episodes और में there was Uruj and Viraj, and then in one of the episode, Samay and Tanmay came in.
Yeah.
And then That's My Job just picked up after that episode.
Oh.
It's just like everybody got to know about it more, and then it's history. Everybody sees after that. Then many people came in and
Right. So, how do you manage this entire thing now? Like कि किसको लेकर आना है like as a guest, and then people who जिसका job guess करेंगे people for that.
okay.
How do you figure that
Let
out?
me not take any credit for this because I have like an amazing team that really takes care of it. So I have Niharika Bhanashali, who's my manager.
Okay.
There's also Prashita, who's my manager. And these two girls have been like out there doing everything. So they'll be like, इसको और इसको बुलाते हैं, इसको बुलाते हैं. Then they only approach those. मैं फोन करूँ उसके बाद तो कॉल चला गया होता है हम लोगों को कि can you come on Swani stream, and okay confirm Swani ये confirmed है. So then they'll be like, अच्छा कल ये लोग दो आ रहे हैं, तो ये दो आ रहे हैं, तो इनके साथ हमको ऐसे लोगों को लाना चाहिए, वैसे लोगों को लाना चाहिए. Then they'll send me a list of people. Okay, we have sailor, we have director, we have cake baker, we have this, and they'll shortlist and send it to me, and then I'll be like, acha ye. That's the only thing I do. I just say कि starting में easy के लिए इसको बुला दो, उसके बाद difficult के लिए, third के लिए most difficult या fourth के लिए एकदम easy ये. That's all I do. It's this team behind that is outstanding. Also, people who apply for That's My Job. So there's an email ID for that'smyjob@gmail.com. Those who want to take part, they send emails on that.
Guys, even I sent one. But तब तक फिर लोगों को पता चल गया मेरा job.
But then we can't get you. People see you on stream like, hey, Sukriti.
That is the thing. No, but then I like apart from YouTube also I do stuff, right? So.
But I think now you have changed your place. Instead of the participant, you can come as a celebrity.
Oh, oof, guys. But yeah, chalo, I'll reveal actually. Not many people know this, guys. I am actually a communication designer, and I'm studying psychology as well. So.
Wow.
Yeah.
I remember you applying with that.
Yeah.
Psychology, and you didn't apply as a podcaster and all.
Yeah.
So I was like, we can get her, and I was like, no, but that's Sukriti. Everyone knows her. वो उसकी शक्ल यहाँ दिखेगी, chat यहाँ पे शुरू हो जाएगी, and that's
Right.
it. Yes.
But to be very honest, I am so I was so overwhelmed कि अब लोग मेरे को सिर्फ चैट पे ही पहचान जाते हैं, and that I mean I never thought that would happen to me. मैंने लोगों के साथ देखा है, but now when they see me, they just start tagging me, and I'm like, oh my god. अब like even when I have to have you seen that? I think you must have seen that video. You were in the thumbnail pickup lines one when I tried pickup lines on you. So I made a video out of that, and you were in the thumbnail. So
I have to check.
हाँ, so उस वीडियो का कॉन्सेप्ट ये था दैट आई ट्राइड फर्स्ट आई ट्राइड पिकअप लाइंस ऑन फीमेल स्ट्रीमर्स एंड देन आई ट्राइड पिकअप लाइंस ऑन गाइज. So yeah, and then the thing was लोगों ने बोला now change your name because अब लोगों को पता है this is for a video. I'm like okay, but मेरे को
That
वो
is true.
but then I thought okay, I'll think about it, I'll see. But
But I think you've done a great job there to, I it is such a difficult task to connect with with people, not like one or two person. It's
yeah,
such a difficult task to connect with people just by chatting, where a lot other people are
yeah,
chatting. Like there'll be 5,000 people out there chatting, and you still made a mark over there. People now recognize you just with your name in chat box.
right, right.
Kudos to you for doing that job. I mean, I feel it's easy for us to say that. I'm sure there's so much of dedication going in there. I remember you messaging us on streams at like 1 p.m. and 1 a.m. and 2 a.m. I'm like, this
Right.
girl is staying up and she's doing all of this, and it's not easy. It's easy to say कि हाँ यार ये तो आके comment ही करे ना, but guys, I mean, it's still not easy to even get ideas, be creative, be there, be active, look out for validation.
Yeah,
So many times the chat would just go unnoticed, for which you would have stayed up for like an hour, and great patience, so everything.
that's
That's a
right.
great thing that even you've achieved by doing that.
This means so much to me. But yeah, actually, I really, when you said that there's a lot of thinking going around that, it does because I really thought on those Among Us pickup lines.
Damn, your Among Us pickup line was like, I was like, oh my god, this girl is something.
Yeah, but what else are you planning for your channel now? Like vlogs, I'm seeing. अभी मैंने एक vlog देखा. It was a very fun vlog, the shooting one. It was very nice. I like how are you filming those? Somebody helping you out with those? Yeah.
Yeah, there's a team. There's a team.
Okay.
So I do have an editor who
Yeah.
also shoots for me. So it's like a person who's shooting is also editing, and his name is Tejas Rahate. I
Yeah.
think great job this boy does, and I love his shooting style. I love his editing, and he's a nice guy. So it's just good rapport also.
Right.
So I always say it's always a team that helps you build. I mean, you can be good, but you always need to have a team that helps you, grow more. And I'm just fortunate to have found people. And honestly, these people I found all during lockdown. From either
Oh.
Discord community or through friends of friends and recommendations. के I'm like, यार एक editor चाहिए, कोई बताओ, तो कोई बताता है, हम इधर बात करते हैं, उधर बात करते हैं. Even other than Tejas, the other editors who work for me, Rahul and Sukansh. I mean, Sukansh just met me on Discord, and he stays in Delhi. And if you remember my 2020 Rewind video,
Yeah.
it was
Yeah.
the most
I saw.
appreciated video so far. I mean, this guy worked for 15 days on that video, and I'm like,
Oh
bhai,
my
kitna?
god.
So it is just amazing to find how we have connected with so many people during lockdown, which otherwise we wouldn't have. I mean, it's
Right.
it's irony. Like you're not allowed to meet people and all that, but the way it's not just about meeting and knowing these people, the kind of connection that's developed, it is amazing. Like let's say like about you, I wouldn't have met you ever if this wasn't the lockdown. And it's not just that now we know each other. It's not just that we have one conversation or something like that. Now if there's Sukriti, I'm like, hey, I know Anil. It'll be interesting to now catch up with you, have a cup of coffee, and know more about you. So it's
Right.
just interesting how this lockdown has changed our life in so many ways and at so many levels.
Right.
Yeah.
And talking about lockdown, I wanted to know how was your mental health during the lockdown?
Um, um, I am going to give huge credit to streaming and people, streaming community and people who supported me as a streamer for my mental health and for my sanity. I I get scared to even think about what would have happened if I wasn't streaming, or if I wasn't doing anything uh, constructive, or even if it's not literally anything that helps me connect with people or be out there,
Right.
so just the thought of it is also scary. And how it's been after I started streaming, it's been great. I mean,
So,
there have been sleepless nights, but those sleepless nights have not been because of anxiety, depression, loneliness. The sleepless nights have been because I was playing Among Us with the Jagrata gang. And I think I'm okay with that kind of sleepless night.
okay, I got two questions now. First, so did art therapy play any role in this? And how did you come up with that actually? मेरे पास अपने art therapy की notebook यहाँ है. I did all those activities in here.
Yeah, मेरा भी यहाँ पे. I mean, dude, crazy, right? Dude, Shatarupa has been so good. So I know I did on 10th of October, 10th October 2020.
Yeah.
It's the World Mental Health Awareness Day. I did this 9-hour long stream on mental health, where
Yeah.
we really called a lot of people to talk about different topics. So we had about physical health, mental health, about games, about homosexuality, and a lot of things. Like a lot of things were involved in just 1 hour. And in that 1 hour was about art therapy, expressive arts therapy. And Shatarupa was my therapist in that particular session.
Right.
And Shatarupa did art therapy session with me, Sid Warrior. I think few other people were also there. And just in those 30 minutes with Shato, we did this quick therapy, and I still had an insight. I still had like a realization even in those 30 minutes. And I was like, whoa, this was something. And then I realized that this is something that needs to be explored and can be and needs to reach to people,
Yeah.
because it's not just that I'm going to be helped. It's people need this in today's time. So if I'm making people stay up late all like all night, I think it's only fair that I give them art therapy sessions for their sanity.
Yeah.
And even there, if it wasn't for Shoto, I don't think art therapy sessions would have happened. I think she
Right.
is brilliant, and she does it brilliantly. She explains it brilliantly that people are able to connect with her. And I think people should do it, be a part of it. If not the art therapy streams, but if anything that helps them, it could be any form of art, it should be encouraged.
Right. And my second question was Jagrata gang. How did this happen? मतलब ये Jagrata gang बना कैसे? मुझे इसके बारे में जानना है.
I really want to go out and ask people the question कि जगराता गैंग कैसे बना,
हाँ.
because honestly हम लोगों ने नहीं बनाया यार इसको.
नहीं बट वो बन गया ना नहीं लाइक अब तो ऐसे ये गैंग रात को ही आता है. देयर इज अ रीजन व्हाई इट्स कॉल्ड जगराता गैंग. सो
यार बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं है. पता है क्या होता था, रात को सब फ्री होते थे तो ऐसे स्ट्रीमिंग शुरू करते थे. एंड स्ट्रीमिंग शुरू करते थे तो फिर वो होता था कि सबको फोन करके बुला, क्योंकि अमंग अस इज अ पर्टिकुलर गेम यू नीड सर्टेन नंबर ऑफ पीपल टू प्ले.
राइट.
So you had to, if I want to play the game, which I love playing Among Us, and I am like, मुझे खेलना है.
हाँ.
It's like, okay, I would like really figure out कौन खेल रहा है Among Us. So I realized, okay, तन्मय stream कर रहा है Among Us. I'll put a message to Tanmay. Tanmay, even it's irrespective कि मुझे invite किया है कि नहीं.
Yeah.
Tanmay, I want to play Among Us. And then I like Joel is playing. Joel, I want to play Among Us. You don't invite me. I'm self-inviting, So I would tell people, and then I would start my own stream, and I want more people. So I would figure out कौन online है. हाँ, उसको live stream के बीच में I would call up and I'm like, Among Us आजा ना खेलना. Among Us खेल. Chat में सब लोग लिखो, अरे chat, tell this person to play Among Us with me.
Yeah.
We have pestered people to play Among Us with me.
And lot of new people got into streaming through that also.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I think Jagrata gang was all about, also about Ryder. I mean, Nishant Tanmay. I think if it wasn't Nishant, I also wouldn't have. I think when
Why?
Nishant Tanmay, I guess वाइब बन गया था कि हम
अच्छा।
और निशान इतना खेलने लग गए थे कि अब हम दोनों को खेलना है तो अब हम सबको बुलाएंगे. तो yeah, it just happened in
Recently
that way.
went on his show also. Delhi में हुआ था. I recently went on his show.
Oh,
Yeah, it
that's
was.
lovely. How
Yeah.
was it? I'm
It
sure
was it
it
was
was
it was
amazing.
great. I was hoping that he would recognize me, but he didn't. I think so. Yeah, बहुत disappointment हुआ था. But फिर मैंने picture click करके I put a caption there on my story, trying pickup lines on streamers IRL.
That's
So
become
yeah.
like a USP now.
Yeah, I'm like at least कोई dating app ही अब sponsor कर दो. So yeah, anyway, so I wanted to know about this. Now what are you planning for your channel? जैसे अभी vlogs तो जैसे है ही, what are now happening, but
But
what
it is so
else?
unpredictable now, yeah. It is so unpredictable that I have stopped. Like, all I have started thinking is that in this moment, what I feel right, I'm gonna do it.
Hmm.
Because 7 months ago, I never thought I'll stream. When I
Yeah.
started streaming, I had no idea I'll do That's My Job. When I started doing That's My Job, I never thought that's gonna be That's My Story and That's My Art. When these things happened, I in my life never thought I'll vlog.
Yeah.
But vlogging happened, and now vlogging is going to happen. I'm gonna keep vlogging. I'm loving the vlogs. So it is 7 months back I couldn't have thought कि मैंने प्लान अगर ये सब प्लान किया होता तो इसमें से कुछ नहीं होने वाला था. So now I've realized that I'm not going to plan. What I'm going to do
Plan as
is
in
I'm
like
just
what, ऐसा vague सा idea कि what you are thinking कि मैं ये भी try कर सकती हूँ, जैसे अभी vlogs तो जैसे है.
I'm in that experimental phase. I've decided that 2021 मेरे लिए experiences होने वाले हैं और learnings होने वाली है. So
Yeah.
I've decided I'm going to join a few workshops. I've never attended like a learning workshop in my life.
Okay.
Because मैं स्कूल वूल भी नहीं गई तो बहुत सेल्फ लर्निंग पैटर्न है मेरा. तो मैं
Hmm.
दिस आई थॉट ऑफ अभी तक मैंने कुछ किया नहीं है बट मे बी आई वांट टू लर्न सम न्यू थिंग्स दिस ईयर एंड आई वांट टू एक्सप्लोर मोर ऑफ व्हाट आई कैन डू. So streaming हो गया है, vlogging हो गया है. If anything else come like gaming,
Hmm.
I never thought I'll be termed as a gamer, and I got like these. Now मेरे आगे gamer लिखते हैं. I'm like, oh, I'm not really a gamer. Like I'm a very bad gamer, if anything else. But ठीक है. But I want to try it because I like playing games and stuff.
Yeah.
So all I've thought is, आओ देखते हैं क्या होता है. I'm ready for the adventure. I'm ready for the experiences. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give my 100% and keep getting better at what I am doing. And let's see what happens. Let's see where this takes me. That's
All
my
right. अच्छा हाँ, also I want to know that मैं ये पूछना था पहले, I forgot, but the story of That's My Story. उसका क्या story था? How did that happen? Because मैंने first stream देखा था उसका when it was like Honest Confessions, कुछ नाम था I think उसका. मैंने वो first stream देखा था, but then you changed it to That's My Story. It's a better name because That's My Job और That's My Art के साथ अब वो थोड़ा coincide कर रहा था.
Yeah, I'm thinking. So I and the team were sitting the other day and we were like, एक और game show चाहिए. That's My Job के साथ. Because कितना That's My Job देखेंगे, people might get bored. तो क्या game show लाए? And we were thinking क्या करें. Also, I wanted to do something with the voting system. YouTube chatting में vote system नहीं है कुछ भी.
Yeah.
So we had to crack that also. So I wanted to do something with the voting system.
So the chat is also involved in this.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I had tried something with Rahul Subramanian and Kumar Varun before that, but that didn't work out too well. तो हमने फिर दूसरा गेम शो लाने की कोशिश करी and Honest Confessions was something inspired by Jimmy Fallon's Truth Confessions.
Yeah.
Or Truth It's One Lie करके the game we played. Or
Yeah.
like it's a combination of a lot of these games that we have been playing. It's not like a new innovative concept. What made it a little more innovative was just the involvement of chat in voting.
Yeah.
कि हाँ ये सही है हम वोट करने वाले हैं and if this comes right they have to do it there. It was just that and I wanted to again try it and hence I called my friends on it. So and That's My Story is something I would do only with my friends, like people I know their life. It can't be with somebody I invite whom I don't know, I have not met, because it doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
So I try to play That's My Story with my friends out there. Come out, tell stories, let's see which is right, which is wrong, and things like that. So it was just the idea was just to get another game show, and then we tried and error पे ये निकल गया. इसके पहले भी कुछ और ट्राई किया था जो वर्क नहीं किया.
Yeah.
ये कर गया तो हमने.
So, if somebody who wants to start out खुद का ऐसा कुछ गेम बना के या कुछ ऐसा खुद का शो बनाने का, how do you think they should go about it if they want to try it out, try something different from others?
I was gifted a poster yesterday.
Yeah,
Okay, give me a sec. Give me
yeah,
a sec.
yeah,
I
yeah,
want to see if
yeah,
that poster is around.
yeah.
Okay, yeah, here it is. So friend, my friend who got me into streaming, who
Yeah.
was there कि तुझे करना ही है, क्या करेगी बैठकर, who got me into streaming, uh, um, gave me a poster yesterday to stick on my wall. And that's my suggestion to everybody who wants to start a new game or get into streaming or anything else. It's a very cliche thing, something you have heard in the past, but I'm going to still suggest this.
Yeah.
So it's not just if you have an idea, guys, just do it. Even if
Yeah.
you don't have an idea, you just have like vaguely मुझे try करना है कुछ. Like मेरे game shows मैंने को बहुत vague थे यार. वो करते करते बन गए. Like if you see the first episode of That's My Honest Confessions, like देखते हैं कैसा जा रहा है. Second mate got even better. Third mate got like better. And वो करते करते, I think you need to be in momentum. You
Got
need to
it.
be moving. If you're just sitting there thinking to make it perfect, it's not going to happen. Start, कर दे एक बार, फिर उसको पता चलेगा तुझे क्या गलत हुआ, क्या गलत नहीं हुआ, कैसे उसको बेटर करना है. लोगों को ये कॉन्सेप्ट पसंद नहीं आ रहा है, ये गेम इतना इन्वॉल्विंग नहीं है, इतना एंगेजिंग नहीं है, ये बहुत फर्स्ट पर्सन हो रहा है, लोगों को कैसे इन्वॉल्व करे इसके अंदर, तो कौन सा एस्पेक्ट निकालना है, कौन सा इसमें एडिशन करना है, एंगेजमेंट कैसे बढ़ाए इसके अंदर, ह्यूमर क्वेश्चन कैसे बढ़ाए. इट नीड्स टू हैव अ लिटिल मोर इमोशंस आल्सो इन इट. सो you will, once you get into the process of doing it, आपका दिमाग automatically उसके अंदर चलना शुरू होगा, and you'll find your own way. So सोच मत ज्यादा, बस कर दे.
Okay, and again another question. How are you so energetic all the time? आप में इतनी energy कैसे है?
I preserve my energy when for the camera when it goes on. So the moment camera goes off, I'm like on the door. Actually, that's not true. I generally, it's just weird. I mean,
like we have never seen.
I'm a very energetic person.
We have never seen Suhanisha a little like laid back या थोड़ा सा करते हैं अच्छा स्ट्रीम हो रहा है ओके ओके ऐसा थोड़ा शांत कभी भी नहीं like always yes guys chat spam hearts.
That is true.
Yeah.
Generally, like even in my house, I mean, so like when everybody gets the moment I'm up in the morning, like I wake up, everybody knows कि ये गोलू उठ गई है. मैं सोने लगी हूँ. Like it is prominent. There's going to be like मैं शोर मचाऊंगी, मैं बाहर जाऊंगी, मैं सबके साथ चपर चपर करूंगी. Like the घर is very shant till the time I've not woken up. So I think it's just the general personality that I am generally a very energetic person, and I'm generally खुश रहती हूँ. I mean, I'm generally like I find solutions to problems. I try to find ways to be happy, and मेरे को खुश करना बहुत आसान है. I become happy very easily. Like you come and give me like eclair, I'll be very thrilled. मतलब आप इस स्ट्रीम को इतने थोड़े मुझे कोई ऐसे चैट में 3 हार्ट्स भेज देगा, मैं उसी में खुश हो जाऊंगी. तो इमेजिन मुझे 3 हार्ट से इतनी खुशी मिलती, कोई स्पैम ही हो जाए हार्ट्स को तो यूफोरिया हो गया ना.
Yeah.
So I get happy in very small things. And I think that's just it. And I think when you're happy, you're energetic. ऐसा नहीं है कि low days नहीं होते हैं. There are of course low days. There are days where I do not want to get up. There may be days where I'm like, यार क्या है? Life is not all hunky dory, you know. There are those days. But then again, I have understood that those are days. So there are happy days. There are not so happy days. And you know, when you're not so happy days, you just be kind to yourself. And you just be like कि ये एक आज का दिन है, थोड़ा ये भी experience कर लो.
Yeah.
See what you can do today. Maybe read a book or watch a movie or just write something or plan your next show or sit with your mother or just have good food. You know, you find what you want to do on your low days. Otherwise, just sleep in the bed is also fine. It is okay to be in the bed on the days you're not feeling great or you're not willing to come out, because it's just a day. There will be next day when you want to come out and you jump out of your bed that day.
Yeah.
So I think I'm very kind to myself that way. And I listen to what my body and my mind wants and my audience wants and make a balance between all of it. That's what I
Yeah.
try to do.
Yeah, and I think that has really worked out for you, and it is working out still. बहुत ही like I how many subscribers did you have when you started streaming?
Half of what I have now. So
Uh
I would have had like 170 something.
okay. So guys, यार मतलब tips please. I want some tips.
Consistency
Okay.
is my tip. I think people just like to know you. And like I also feel like I feel bad on like it's been quite few days that I haven't streamed. I streamed like 4 days back. But I feel bad like when I'm not able to stream and go out because then it happens that people get invested into you. Now they want to and I want to know people. I remember people who chat are in the chat every time. So now even I want to know कि यार वो क्या कर रहा है ये क्या कर रहा है सुकृति क्या कर रही है मैं स्ट्रीम नहीं कर रही किसकी स्ट्रीम पे जाके क्या क्या मेकअप लाइन यूज कर रही है so once you
Yeah.
get invested into each other and इतना time और energy आपने already invest किया है and suddenly you disappear it's not a happy feeling so I
Right.
don't want to disappear like that. I want to be there. I want to be relevant. I want to talk to people and it is such a give and take. Like a lot of people during the new year were messaging me that oh because of you the lockdown was a little easier, because of you the things went, we could smile a little bit more, we could sleep a little better, we could just spend time with people watching your stream and commenting. And I was in my head thinking oh hello guys, अगर आप नहीं होते तो मेरा क्या होता वो तो आपको अंदाजा ही नहीं है. So it is
Right.
we who make each other. So if you are not there, what am I? I'm just nothing.
Yeah.
Right. And
right.
and when you tell me I make you happy, I'm like जीवन सफल हो गया.
That's such a sweet thing to say. Yeah, talking about relevancy, please help me with that.
I think Sukriti, you are very relevant.
No,
You just know
Are.
things.
Yeah, but it's also like that. Okay, so I'll talk to you about this after the podcast. But anyway, do you want to talk about anything else? I think I have asked enough. Do you want to?
Like the first thing in my mind right now came was chat पूछो क्या पूछना है. And suddenly I realized oh ये podcast है Sumani. What is wrong with you?
Yeah. मतलब it's like काफी आदत सा हो गई है आदत हो गई है उस चीज की कि अभी चैट बताएगी नेक्स्ट लाइक इवन व्हेन आई एम व्लॉगिंग आई एम लाइक गाइस कमेंट करके बताओ लाइक अभी आंसर नहीं मिलेगा जब जाएगा तब मिलेगा.
Yeah, that's true. So even I know I feel the recorded stuff का I mean when I remember asking you also record कर रहे हैं कि live जा रहे हैं. Like live कर रहे हो तो क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है like just go live everywhere. Just do that. But yeah, chat, please, if you have any more questions for me or Sukriti, please put it in the comment section and maybe we can do another podcast or maybe we can do live.
Wow, would love to do
Let
that.
Sukriti decide what to do with your questions. But the important part is questions.
Comment, guys. Comment down below. Let us know if you guys have any questions. And I was so happy to have Suhani here. And मतलब इतना कुछ हमने जाना about her because I whatever I wanted to ask her मैंने कहा मैंने पूछ लिया. अगर आपके सवाल मिलते हैं तो ठीक है, नहीं मिलते तो sorry. मुझे पूछना था. But yeah, that was it. I am so happy that we did this and I hope we have another one जब हमें comments में बता दें और सवाल लोग.
Thank you for having me, Sukriti. Thank you for thinking of doing a podcast with me, and thank you for how you lighten up like चांद तारे लगा देते हो आप हमारे chats पे. So please keep doing that. We love to see you in our chats and maybe sometimes on our streams as well very soon. So
Would love to.
thank you for the lovely person that you are, and just keep smiling that way.
Thank you so much. So that was it, guys. If you're listening this on Spotify, make sure you follow and listen to other podcasts as well. If you're listening this on YouTube, subscribe to both of us because we are bringing some great content for you guys. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, bye.